So, alright, and that's, you're mad, okay, yeah. Stop playing games. You think you cute? Don't play when you think you cute. You're not cute. Stop thinking you cute. You're not cute. Why are you talking shit though? You wasn't even talking all that when my mom was here at parent teacher conference. My mom will fuck you up. Don't let me call my mother. Okay, you're not gonna take my phone. I'm not scared. You're not my mother. You didn't pay for my phone.
This is my Aaliyah jam. Yes, it is. Ooh. So should I tell them that it's nothing in her? Buy Zephaniah Hills, not Zephaniah. Say your own product. Lost in the sunlight on these hoes. They don't want to see me, bitch. Give me some or I'ma tell. Chill, man. Jessica ain't nothing but a lying-ass bitch. That is not my son's baby. She nothing but a hoe. Is you tired of them haters rubbing you the wrong way? Get they ass some alcohol. Sorry, I'm reading the script how you tell you. If you see me, then you see me. If you don't, then you don't. Let me think. Should I punch you? Who you think you fucking with, boo? What's bald-headed about me? Really? Can somebody tell me what's bald-headed about me? I might not have no edges, but I'm far from bald-headed. I'm me. That's all you need to know. Run up and get done up. Oh. It's recording? Oh. Conchito. Conchita? I don't know. Just buy these cookies. They good as shit. Miss, can I go to the bathroom? Alright, no sleeping in class. I ain't sleep. You're annoying.
No. You're not taking Instagram photos. I need more and less ratchetness.
I'm not doing this. It's too hot out here. Turn your AC on.
No gas.
Damn. Happy Easter to everybody out there that's celebrating Easter. Why do you see I'm mad? Cause it's Easter.